Hello there and welcome to TAPSWAP daily task for July the 27th. This is the first part of the task, so call it TAPSWAP task 1, daily task 1, July 27th. All right, if this is your first time stopping by, I want to say thank you to you. I sincerely appreciate you. Thank you. And for returning subscribers, merci beaucoup, gracias, namaste, obrigado, midawase, and Noah. Okay, go ahead and let me know in the comments where you're watching from and how I can tell you thank you in your local language. Okay, I'm recording this from outside. Okay, and I need to just do that because I have to send this right now. So quickly, let's get down to the assignment of moment. Remember to subscribe, like, and share the video, and also hit the notification bell so that you will get notified once I drop the next video for you. You'll be the very first to get notified. And to get started with TAPSWAP, all you need is to just get a link in the description and get started. And to also join my Telegram channel where you get updates, resources, training, education, and signals, get a link in the description for my Telegram channel. So let's get down to it. So this is for 2 million. We're about to complete the 2 million. We're about to complete the 2 million for offer here. I think it's remaining maybe like 1 or 2. So quickly, let's get down to it. So you watch the video. I've watched the video. It's about 12 minutes video, and the title is "What Crypto to Buy with $500." Okay, and I think the focus is on 3 primary crypto. You can focus on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. And the keyword that showed up there, there are 2 words formed in one, and I'm going to type them here. We start with hash, HASH. GRAPH. That's hash graph. I told you I'm actually recording this from outside. All right, so hash graph. Let's check. Absolutely correct. So you go ahead and grab your 400k. Remember the keyword graph, hash graph. HASHGRAPH, hash graph. So let's collect that. And so that is done, and I believe the next one will be coming up maybe in about 2 hours time. So let's look forward to it. Go ahead and like this video, share it, let your loved ones know about it. Okay, and let's see my next video. Thank you very much and God bless you.